Hello, here's a video of a job with the small tracked robot. It's the extraction system in which this video is to be run. The aim is to check how many deposits are present in the pipe. The plan is to get onto the roof with a stacker and get the robot into the system via maintenance opening. I packed the small tracked robot for this job. The little one hardly needs any equipment and its size is still well suited for driving in these pipes. It is clear that I cannot drive in the system during operation. The system will be taken out of operation for a short time for this operation. I traveled here by car. If the western route hadn't been so far, I could have come by bike. That is why I appreciate the small robot. You can carry them in your bag or suitcase without any special planning. Here at the turnout I have to turn left. If I turned right I would fall into a cyclone. Of course I don't want that. In fact, I first have to find out how to turn left. I tried to drive further into the turn and only then steer. Done. Now it's a few more meters straight ahead and then comes a climb that I'm eagerly awaiting. In preparation for this first test in this environment, I took a 30-meter long safety rope with me. In theory, the rope is not necessary, but it was conveniently still in my suitcase from my last job. Typically for suction systems and piping in general is that they are in operation for a long time and nobody knows what they look like. In industry, unlike in gastronomy or air conditioning technology, there are hardly any regulations or guidelines for the operation of such systems. The system can leak or become blocked over time. These are all things that you can easily explore and find out from the inside. Typically, endoscopes with meter-long cables are used for this purpose. This is easy to handle but very cumbersome to carry out. Even with an ordinary air extraction system, deposits build up over time. Slightly higher level of humidity or the formation of condensation water during standing makes this easier. I also heard of cases where systems have simply fallen from the ceiling one day. A separator such as a cyclone is not a 100% solution. Something always remains. Here in the plant there is actually dust in places. All through the pipe is coated and is operated at relatively high pressure. There are deposits. Yes, the little one can't manage this gradient. I can see why from the tracks left by the tracked vehicle. The tracks are not properly attached to the pipe. I would try again with a different crawler track if I had the chance. Practically, I have constructed a selection of different tracks for the small robot. It's like with shoes. At the moment the little one is wearing his hiking boots, but I need all-round shoes or indoor shoes to get more contact surface. That was it with the test for now. The customer has already seen what he wants to know while driving. The pipe is almost free up to the incline. Now I drive back again. Because I am hanging on the rope and can turn in the pipe, I am doing it in reverse. Thank you for watching the video up to this point. I plan to do more of these missions. As a developer for these robots, I can gather so many impressions that I can incorporate back into the development. All in all, it's a win-win situation every time. The customer gets the information he needs and I have the opportunity to optimize my systems. Until the next video, have a nice time.